Minister munene MUSALIA MUDAVADI na augite thirikari ni yumbite kwirutaniria banene gutigira kuri na riera rirega na riretheru na njira ya kwiga mitaratara ya gitumia kumenyera na kinyagia kubonokia riera na uritia gwatimba rumonde eribo thirikari cia county gwisha bamwe nikenda gutethereria kiri moronto uyu.
Allow me to say thank you, Your Excellency, for honoring our games. It's a great honor, and we feel honored.
One, two, three.
On behalf of the national government, I call upon all stakeholders, including the county governments, to galvanize actions around the water-related goals and targets to overcome the climate change challenges. The government is committed to achieve a cleaner and safer environment through the intentional placement of environmental and ecosystem conservation at the center of our socio-economic transformation agenda. I also wish to congratulate the water companies across the country for coming together during this sporting event to learn, interact, and more critically, think of ways and means of enhancing service provision of water and sanitation services for all Kenyans. In addition, I ask the county governments to ensure the water companies are run professionally, without any form of corruption, and with good corporate governance as required by the regulator. So together, in support with the President, we should be able to really champion the need to save our globe through the climate change initiatives, as has been stated before. You may have seen that this climate change is creating all sorts of things. Right now, if you are a follower of news, you will notice that in Hawaii, because of climate change, wildfires, just from nowhere, have completely destroyed a city. You can see lake waters are rising, and these are all issues that are beginning to converge, and if we are not careful as human beings, and we start reversing the challenges, we could be caught up in a very, very serious situation